Hey everyone, so I want to share this problem, Nvidia control panels problem. So go to services and look for, this must be somewhere down here. Look for Nvidia display container alias. You must have disabled it accidentally. Just apply with automatic settings, and also look for Nvidia local system container. Set it as automatic. Just reboot the system and it should be fine. I also want you to use this GeForce experience. You should update NVIDIA drivers all the time. So this is just a tip. Everything should be fine. Thank you.